Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With advanced specifications, improved autofocus, and exceptional video features, the R7 Mark II is poised to make waves in the world of mirrorless cameras. So, whether you're into fast-action sports photography, wildlife shots, or high-quality video production, this camera seems to offer something for everyone. Let's break down the exciting features and upgrades that the EOS R7 Mark II brings to the table and see why it's shaping up to be a powerhouse in the mirrorless APS-C lineup. Compact design with enhanced durability. First up, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II retains much of the compact and rugged build of its predecessor, but with some critical design enhancements. The grip is expected to be redesigned for better ergonomics, offering a more comfortable experience during extended shooting sessions. Weather sealing will be significantly improved, putting it closer to Canon's higher-end bodies like the Canon EOS R5 and R6 Mark II, making it more resistant to dust and moisture. Moreover, Canon may include a more intuitive joystick and upgraded command dials for seamless handling, especially in fast-paced shooting scenarios. There's even talk of a top LCD panel, which would be a nod to Canon's pro-level DSLR models. These subtle design tweaks aim to improve user experience, making the R7 Mark II a worthy upgrade. New APS-C sensor and enhanced image quality. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to feature a new APS-C sensor, potentially in the range of 32 to 35 megapixels. This modest increase from the original model is just the beginning. The new sensor will likely incorporate BSI technology, which significantly improves low-light performance, reduces noise, and enhances dynamic range. Expect better highlight retention and cleaner high ISO performance, making this camera ideal for professional use, even in challenging lighting situations. The addition of the Digic X, or a new generation processor, will boost readout speeds, enabling better handling of high-contrast scenes and faster image processing. This means you can expect more vibrant colors, sharper details, and better performance when shooting at higher ISO settings. Advanced autofocus for precision tracking. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. Enhanced with the latest tracking algorithms from the Canon EOS R3 and R5 Mark II, this autofocus system is designed for exceptional accuracy, even in challenging environments. Whether you're shooting fast-moving wildlife, sports, or action-packed scenes, the improved autofocus will allow for precise tracking of eyes, faces, animals, and even vehicles. Canon may also introduce expanded autofocus zones and AI-assisted scene recognition, which will automatically prioritize subjects and adjust focus based on compositional context. This is a major leap forward, providing hybrid shooters with the flexibility to switch subjects seamlessly, making it a perfect tool for capturing split-second moments. Unmatched video performance. Canon has been stepping up its video game, and the EOS R7 Mark II is no exception. The camera is rumored to offer 6K internal recording at 60 FPS, utilizing the full sensor width, along with 10-bit 4.2.2 color depth and Canon Log 3. Expect enhanced video performance with rich color gradation, ideal for cinematic video projects. Additionally, 4K 120p recording without heavy cropping is also rumored, making it perfect for slow-motion videos with incredible detail. The camera is designed with improved heat management to handle long recording sessions, and the dual UHS 2 card slots will give you the storage flexibility you need for extended shoots. In-body image stabilization enhancements. The in-body image stabilization system is another area where the Canon EOS R7 Mark II shines. It's expected to offer up to 8 stops of stabilization when paired with compatible RF lenses, which will significantly improve handheld shooting, especially for video creators and travel photographers. This improvement will make the R7 Mark II a versatile choice for fieldwork and street photography, where the ability to shoot without a tripod is crucial. There's also a rumor that Canon will introduce a more intelligent IS coordination system, which would optimize stabilization during panning, telephoto shooting, and tracking moving subjects. This could be a game changer for photographers who require top-notch stability and precision in their shots. Connectivity for modern workflows. In today's digital world, connectivity is essential, and the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is set to deliver. It's expected to come with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring fast file transfers and seamless remote shooting. Tethering support will be improved, making it an excellent option for studio workflows. The Canon Camera Connect app is also anticipated to receive upgrades, providing better live view and more responsive controls for remote shooting. The inclusion of dual UHS 2 SD card slots ensures redundancy, which is especially beneficial for professional photographers and videographers who need secure, reliable storage. Customization and user experience. Canon is known for taking user feedback seriously, and the EOS R7 Mark II will likely feature more customizable buttons and a revamped quick control dial. The menu interface will be influenced by Canon's ProGrade and C70 cinema systems, ensuring smoother navigation and quicker access to essential functions, including video modes and autofocus settings. The articulating touchscreen will remain, but it's expected to offer improved brightness and touch responsiveness for better usability in bright environments. Canon may also introduce a digital teleconverter or pixel shift mode, allowing users to extract more detail from the APS-C sensor. Conclusion: the future of APS-C mirrorless cameras. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II looks like it will be a game-changing camera for both photographers and videographers. With its upgraded sensor, improved autofocus system, 6K video capabilities, enhanced image stabilization, and connectivity options, this camera will undoubtedly elevate the performance of Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup.